was in 5th grade, our science teacher asked us to present a show and tell of our pets, and so my friend brought over her cat, Lion. She told us that Lion was special because of her fur color, and when our teacher asked us, "Why do you think that is?" I ironically yelled, "Duh, girl power." Well, turns out I wasn't wrong. Apparently, female mammals can balance doses of X-linked genes by inactivating one X chromosome, just like a light switch. A female has XX sex chromosomes, while a male has XY. That means that genes from both X and Y are expressed in males, since they carry different genes. But in females, only one X chromosome is expressed in each cell, while the other goes into a deep sleep. This deep sleep, known as X-Chromosome Inactivation, prevents the expression of toxic doses of X-linked genes in females. In humans, X inactivation is a random process. This means that the maternal and paternal X chromosomes have a 50-50 chance of inactivation. But how does that work? When the embryo is about 8 cells old, a region on the X chromosome, known as the X Inactivation Center, or XIC for short, contains several genes essential for the transcription of long, non-coding RNAs that play a part in inactivation. If the paternal X chromosome is inactivated, the XIC of that chromosome produces the non-coding RNA exist, or X inactive specific transcript. In contrast, the maternal X chromosome's XIC is blocked by blocking factors to prevent the maternal X from producing exist as well. Eventually, the exist promotes condensation of the paternal X by coding it and is now called a bar body. Now, only the maternal X of that cell remains active, and so is the case for all of its descendants. But wait, when does the exist know when to stop? What if it makes its way to the active X? Well, exist is regulated by another non-coding RNA called the T6, which intuitively opposes the exist by halting its function. Think of them as the molecular yin and yang. On their own, they might not amount to much, but together, they create balance. In a way, females are a mosaic of cells. This provides greater diversity and explains why women are less susceptible to be severely affected by infectious diseases, such as COVID-19. And despite not being fully understood, X chromosome inactivation is truly a wonder in modern genetics. And who knows? One day, we might be able to literally turn off disease-causing chromosomes.